consciousness and belief system. We all have heard the term, what you think is what you become, but somehow don't really believe in it. For example, when we are younger, we want to become a pilot or an astronaut or a doctor, but do we really become what we think? For the most of the people, this does not happen. Out of class of 100 students, hardly 10 become what they initially aspired to become, and the rest adapt accordingly to whatever opportunity they get. But why is that? Why did we not become what we think? This happens because our thoughts were not focused and our belief was not strong enough. Our belief drives our thoughts and our actions to the goals which we want to achieve. If our thoughts and our beliefs are in harmony with each other, we achieve what we desire. But when our thoughts are unrelated and conflicting in nature, it has a negative impact on our mind and eventually on our life. It is a complex theory, but I will try to explain you in simple terms. Most of the times when we think of becoming something or doing something in our lives, all our thoughts are related and connected to that one story. For example, you see yourself becoming a doctor. You see yourself completing your education from your dream college, doing specialization in one particular medical field, working in a particular hospital. You see yourself interacting with your patients, etc. When you do this, all your thoughts and your belief system are all streamlined into doing just one thing. That is, you becoming a doctor. This way, the chances of you becoming successful in that direction is higher. Because from an early age, all your actions involuntarily will lead to only this outcome. Now let's talk about theory of conflicting thoughts. When our ultimate goal is becoming a doctor, and instead of focusing on that aspect, we sometimes get attracted to becoming a musician or make ourselves busy with thoughts of becoming a sports person, or maybe our majority of thoughts are unrelated to what we see as our future. It creates the situation of conflicting thoughts. It is true that our mind takes us to the direction of our thoughts, but this does not happen overnight. It is a long journey which is covered step by step, and when we are in the loop of conflicting thought, instead of moving in a single direction of our goals, we keep moving in circles and not reach anywhere at all. When we are conscious, we can avoid this situation of conflicting thoughts, because with consciousness comes the right balance of mind and clarity of vision. It does not guarantee 100% success, but definitely helps you in moving in the right direction and ultimately helps you to reach your goal.